Then IA for correction of some typological error of my bail petition. So it may come up on next week, any date, or 12th or 9th or 13th, any date.
10 to 11, whenever you want.
11.
May I please, your lordship? Regarding item 15, my lord. 50, my lord. 50. Lord, Sarshit has submitted, my lord. List is hanging, my lord.
Okay, we'll pass the order.
Lordship. 50, huh?
May please, your lordship. Lordship, item number 20, lordship, out of same FIR, lordship, and earlier dispose of, lordship, three numbers of bail petition out of same, arising out of same FIR, lordship. So,
Earlier dispose of.
when? Lordship, it is 12. 18/9, lordship, 2024, and 25/4, 2024.
By which court?
Malasri Nandi, Justice Malasri Nandi. And I have mentioned on the same court, lordship. But-
Item number?
20.
20. Ready. Do you have the bill numbers?
Yes, lordship. Yes. And the BA number 281, 2024.
281 of 2024.
Yes, lordship.
Decided when?
It is April, lordship, in the month of 25/4, 2024.
And the other case?
And another is, lordship, and 282, 2024, same date.
What is the
25/4.
case number? Police case number? Yes, case number.
Yes, case number, lordship, 157/2000.
Which police station?
Gwalpara, lordship.
Say that. Now, Golpura police station case number?
57/2024.
2024. Okay. Yes.
Please.
57 of
23, lordship.
57 of
23, lordship. Publish.
No, back to action item number 16, my lord.
60.
16, my lord. Maybe taken after vacation, my lord.
Correct.
Publish.
Yes,
May-
ma'am.
May I please, your lordship, I pray for listing of this case on criminal revision petition on Monday, lordship. I want to withdraw the case actually.
Eight pieces of lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13 and 15, my lord. 13 and 15. Can it be taken up after a week, my lord? 13 and 15, my lord.
13 and 15.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, I have small prayer with regard to item number 5. There is a small typographical mistake.
Correct it and put the initial, also correct it.
My lord, I have filed an interlocutory application, my lord, because there is a added section. So that next week, any date, lordship. Will you update, my lord?
9th.
My lord.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I beg to mention for listing of a WP criminal motion on Monday, lordship. Because lordship, in the code below, lordship, the date is fixed on 11th, lordship. So 9th may be.
10th.
My lord, that matter regarding lordship, proceeding in the West Bengal, lordship. So kindly 9th, lordship, because otherwise it.
When the date was fixed in the code below? By
on
which
it-
order?
Last order, lordship, I have not remembered, lordship, but 11th is the date fixed, lordship.
Might be, you are showing your urgency there. The order was passed long back.
Yes, lordship.
Then 10th.
10th, obliged.
May I plead, your lordship, I beg to mention item 37 of today's list. I have taken the consent of the other side, your lordship. Matter may kindly come up after 2 weeks. We have to obtain certain instructions.
Okay.
Obliged.
Yes.
Lordship, item 57, my lord. Any other date, my lord? CD was called for in this item, my lord. 57, order, my lord. CD, I think.
Do you have the CD or not? This is your state application.
Yes.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, lordship. Your lordship, may kindly adjourn this matter for today only, lordship.
Item?
35.
You have the case diary? Do you have the case diary? Yes, yes, madam. Okay. Let the matter reach. We'll consider. Yes.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 14, your lordship.
40.
14, 14, your lordship. So, lordship, the matter may be passed over for the day, your lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
And please, your lordship, I am back to mention item number 23, my lord. Matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord.
For to be adjourned for the day or for the week, what?
Adjourned for the day.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 56, lordship. Here case study was called for. Case study has not arrived, lordship. Item 56 is from Gauripur, lordship. No interim is there, lordship. May I pray, lordship, before vacation, lordship?
18th.
Yes, another.
May please, your lordship, beg to
15,
mention item 40.
18th.
18.
Item 43, my lord. Today's daily list. My senior Mr. S. Mitra is having some personal difficulty. So I'm praying it may be listed any day after a week, my lord. I'm not on interim, my lord.
Available.
Correct.
Not on interim.
May please, I beg to mention item number 36, lordships. The case day was called for, perhaps the case day is not available, lordships. 36,
From which police station?
Algapur police station.
Algapur, my lord.
Do you have?
Earlier, CD was there, I have sent back the CD for updated CD not received, my lord.
3rd of January.
There is an interim order that may be continued. Obligation.
May I please, your lordship, lordship, I beg to mention item number 40
40.
for adjourn today. Lordship,
You have the case.
40
study?
CD received.
Wait for your turn. Yes.
May it please, Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal petition for motion on Wednesday, my lord. Obliged, madam.
Mr. Parashar, in which item you have directed the home, Mr. Dipankar not to give us the
Yes,
instruction?
my lord, in
Which item? Yes.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, I pray for listing of a criminal petition on Wednesday for motion, new motion.
On item number 19.
Hello.
Yes.
One given IM minute for bail, pending case minute, a POXO case. So it was listed last minute 10-9, but not listed 13.
10th. Will not be available.
My lord.
13th.
my lord, this item number 57, my lord. Gorshuk 90119, my lord, CD not available, my lord.
Your application, you did not receive the case diary and from Gorsu. Mr. Parashar,
Yes, my lord, 90121, no?
19.
you know better. When?
9012019.
Yes.
My lord,
When?
reopening, my lord.
Yes.
Hello, blessed.
5-1, my lord.
On 3rd.
3-1.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Ali. You're not pressing this.
No, charge sheet submitted.
That's it submitted, my lord.
What is the number?
CS number 192/24, dated 30/10/24.
192.
192. Zero October. 30th of October.
Okay.
Obliged.
On 21/22/11/2024. In Kuliabar PS case number 97. Hello. Corresponding to the.
Withdrawal. 58.
Oh, 59.
We are to now.
50?
58, 59.
On instruction. Yes, next. Same order.
59 of now.
Cyber PS case number 26 of 2003. Arrested on 12/11/2023. Petitioner number corresponding to TR number 669920.
Hello, please.
Thank you, Your Lordship. It is a regular bail application under section 22 clause C of NDPS.
LCM may be called for.
Special NDPS, residuals can copy special NDPS case number 129 of 2003. Arising out of Karimganj jurisdiction case number 525 of 2003. Corresponding to TR number 1632. First of January. 2020 January.
I don't know if it is possible only before vacation.
Before vacation would come. Correct. Karimganj case on the court of Lanet Special Judge NDPS Karimganj. NDPS Karimganj. Come session. Like.
Third citation file in this case, Lordship, on 30/11. 30/11.
No, my lord. Lordship,
Please. Charge has been filed, will not look at this.
no, my lord. It is half truth.
Is
It is my case. Firstly, I may kindly be allowed to make submission, then he will have his submission.
Okay.
What is hurry?
Charge sheet not filed.
Not filed.
Very good.
I have filed affidavit on this. Of course, I think it is in the registry. Yesterday it was filed, but I'll be able to satisfy this honorable court with the records I have in my hand.
Please.
So, my lord, can you see it? First, let me complete.
Yes, sure.
The whole standard of practice has gone down, what I have seen nowadays.
It's your bar.
Pardon, my lord? My lord,
It's
what
your
happened?
bar.
Pardon?
It is your bar.
Yes, my lord, yes,
Yes.
yes, I accept it. So, my lord, what happens before submitting on merit of my petition? I like to invite attention of this honorable court, one golden proposition of criminal jurisprudence. That is the right to default bail. It is an integral part, and on number of case laws, judicial pronouncement, Honorable Supreme Court has said that this is an indefeasible right.
Yes.
It has linkage with Article 21, my lord. So right to default bail is also nowadays a fundamental right. Now, when it will arise, Lordship? Now, so far as the earlier we handled CRPC, dealt with CRPC. Now new law has come. Now it originated from 167 subsection 2 of the CRPC, which has been placed in the section 183 nowadays in the BNSS, Lordship. And both are just same, squarely same. So it is rule of, it is perimeterial, Lordship. So now what happens?
Yes.
Now, Sarsid has been, Sarsid claimed, they have claimed that Sarsid has been filed And as soon as we came to know about filing of charge sheet, we filed one petition before the landed trial court seeking certified copy thereof. But we were told that the certified copy, the charge sheet was not accepted by the landed trial court for many technical reasons. And landed trial court passed an order for return of it. Now, they have filed one affidavit, Lordship. The copy of the affidavit has also been furnished to us. There they have categorically stated that charge sheet so claimed to have been filed by them is an interim charge sheet.
Possible,
That is interim charge sheet, Lordship.
possible.
So what happens? Now, as far as the interim charge sheet is concerned, it was of 2-3 pages. Nowadays, it is difficult for the trial court to accept this kind of charge sheet because of many case laws pronounced by the Honorable Supreme Court as well as various high courts, my lord. It cannot be said to be full-fledged and final charge sheet, Lordship. They will be able to claim the rejection of the bail, default bail, if the charge sheet is full and final. Charge sheet is the complete charge sheet, my lord. Now, in the affidavit, they have categorically stated at paragraph number 8 here, it is before your lordship also.
Not before
They have
us.
filed one affidavit, it is with me. They served the
Not
copy.
before us.
They served the copy on my junior colleague yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday, my lord.
Kindly, Mr. Kalita, show us where is the order passed by the London Special Judge rejecting the FIR.
No, my lord, that is, I have submitted an affidavit in this regard. Because, yes, that is the development of day before yesterday. And we are yet to get the certified copy. We have already submitted the application there, my lord. And in this regard, while we did not get the certified copy, we have submitted an affidavit to this honorable court. We have
Any order was passed?
whether order is passed or not, it is secondary. So lordship would kindly see, admittedly it is interim charge sheet, my lord. It is of 2-3 pages. This charge sheet does not have any number, serial number. On top of it, my lord, charge sheet is always filed in accordance with the provisions of Police Manual as well as Daily Special Police Establishment Act, lordship.
Sure.
A prescribed format is there. Number has to be shown. The number of witnesses have to be shown. How the complicity is there,
Yes,
how
Mr.
accused are involved have to be shown. So, my lord, what happens?
Was it an incomplete charge sheet? And not in conformity with the Delhi's police establishment?
Lordship, there is no such thing as incomplete charge sheet. Charge sheet is a charge sheet, Lordship. Once it is produced before a
Now
court.
tell us whether it has been accepted by the.
Lord, that I will have
Special
to
Judge.
have to take instruction,
Why
Lordship.
you cannot have, your people are here,
No,
you
Lord.
know better.
No, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for time being. I'll come with the.
No, he may not know. That is why I have not alleged. I have not
At-
leveled allegation. Otherwise,
At 12,
Lordship.
bring the information.
What
have
are
it
the-
at 12,
Lordship,
Mr.
may kindly, what are the queries you want to answer by?
Well, it was that it was returned to
interim
you.
charge sheet. And my lord,
Charge sheet cannot be a part charge sheet. This is a full charge sheet under your Lordship, if your Lordship sees the CRPC. Once it has been filed,
Get the information whether it was
my lord.
returned to you.
it was returned by the court.
my lord,
Not
I do
been
have,
accepted.
my lord, I do have bunch of case laws of Honorable Supreme Court. What charge sheet is called
Or,
interim charge sheet?
You come back at 2, that will be better.
Lordship.
At 2 o'clock, my lord, it will be better, my lord.
Paragraph 8, yeah, that's one paragraph 8.
A regular bail application, my lord. Case diary may be called for, my lord.
Forest Department,
From the external lordship. On 19
Is perhaps forest department, my lord.
forest.
Item number 4 to the forest department.
you have not served copy on the Forest Department.
My lord, I have just informed, my lord, inadvertently on the state. Item number 3, my lord, it's only PP is required, my lord. Item number 4, my lord, forest.
Yes, from Sutia, Ms. Daswell.
On 18. lordship.
Nothing. 4, my lord,
You do one thing, sub copy on the
my lord.
There are, this is also Sutia PS case.
TPS, but it's not for a revision, my lord. So TPS, out of the same,
Okay, in both the case, you sub copy on the
my lord.
liquidity. Special public prosecutor. Forest Department. Decision in the duty. Petitioner sells of copy of this will make it. 18 also. Forest Department. 18.
Much
Okay.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship, can the matter be taken after some time? Mr. Bora is on legs in court number 5, Lord. The case diary is also done. We are not in interim. Lord. After some time, we'll do the case.
You have the case diary.
Lordship,
Case is available.
he's on legs, Lord. The argument is going on. After some time. 6 and 7. Highly obliged.
My pleasure, lordship. You know, anticipate manipulation, lordships. Type copy of the affair space 9. Lordship. It's not the school teacher, lordships.
Get the case diary.
On 19th.
Kindly protection may be granted, Lordship. These are school teacher Lordships. So an FIR was after several days of the incidents, Lordships. And that too, Lordships, the punishment only up to 3 years, Lordships.
Do one thing. Today is Friday. By Wednesday, you get the status report.
It's already called for, Lordships.
Distraction. Lordship.
On last occasion, it's already called for, Lordships.
So it was called for.
Yes,
We
Lordship.
are fixing on 13. Thereafter, we'll consider. Get it immediately.
Kindly interim, Lordships.
We'll consider on 13th.
I will apply.
I'm open for my lord informant. Today I have filed it.
Wait, please, my lord. Matter will be passed over for a time being, my lord. My senior is on leave.
Have you received the status report?
No, Lordship.
Why? From Jorhat?
Not.
Mr. Parashar, what is happening? We have not asked for the case diary.
They sent my lord on 4/12, but
13th.
My lord, my senior won't be available on 30th. Can it be on 11th, my
Let
lord?
the case diary comfort. The report come.
My lord, may it please be fixed on the 11th of this month, my lord. If it pleases, my lord. My senior won't be available on 13th.
Let the report come, we'll consider on the next day. Yes.
11.
Deeply agree.
Made lordship. Lordship, 482 lordship application. So here lordship, the affair is a case 11 lordship. So the petitioner is a constable of the Koliyakor police station lordship and aged about 57 years old lordship. So only the hair's evidence was at the extortion charge lordship. So taken money from the truck driver lordship. So truck driver was fleet away lordship. So kindly see the case 11 lordship. Quid pro quo wise lordship, the allegation imposed lordship. Absolutely false allegation lordship. Case number 11 lordship, kindly find. Lordship, middle part lordship, kindly see lordship. I came to know that the neighbor villager caught both the vehicles at that moment, even though both the aforesaid mentioned person with the driver of the wood loaded vehicle ran away. Lordship, the neighboring villager and the informant is a Gaubura lordship. In connection with the Luani police station lordship. So here lordship, so on the basis of the quid pro quo, the allegation imposed by the informant lordship. It's absolutely false allegation. And here's the evidence lordship, the Supreme Court held lordship, the Lords of Judgment. So one of the judgment lordship is a Kundula Bala case lordship, Subramaniam, which is clearly defined lordship. The hearsay evidence is not permissible lordship. So there are number 18 lordship is a Supreme Court judgment lordship. The 1993 to SSC lordship. On the basis of the hearsay evidence lordship. And the 57 years old lordship is a constable. He's still working and about to retire.
Yes, get the information. Get the at least the status report whether both the persons took away the vehicle or not. Principalities. That extent.
Lordship interim
On 13th, we'll have it.
Lordship interim protection kindly.
We'll consider on 13th.
Master license.
Also, the FIR is at page number 21. Allegation is based, my lord, that the petitioners herein, they fraudulently obtained the signature of the complainant in order to, my lord, grab a particular land of some 15 bighas, ancestral land, their brothers otherwise. In a, my lord, affidavit, notary affidavit. Now, notary will see the notary affidavit. That notary will find at page 32. My lord, this notary was, affidavit was, my lord, made pursuant to, my lord, that, my lord, Bosundhara scheme, my lord, by which, my lord, the annual patras are, my lord, transformed to, my lord, periodic patras, my lord. Here, my lord, this affidavit, from the language of the affidavit itself, very clear that, my lord, this affidavit was sworn by all the parties, including the, my lord, complainant as well as the petitioners, to, my lord, make this 15 bighas in their name, or all's name, my lord, not, my lord, only of the petitioners. Now, where is the fraud made, my lord? Thus, you will see, we are the owners and co-partners of the plot of land, page 32, measuring 15 bighas so and so. The said land in our possession till date there have been no dispute regarding the boundary of the said land. The above mentioned land is free from all so and so. Scheduled land needs to be converted into so and so in our name. And it has been signed by all. It's not that, my lord, the present three petitioners have tried to, my lord, procure the land, grab the land in their name, my lord, or to transfer it in their name. For that purpose, for everybody's, my lord, purpose, my lord, this affidavit was sworn. Now, my lord, what has happened is, my lord, these three, my lord, four complainants, my lord, there are four brothers, my lord, complainants. They are otherwise cousins of the present petitioners. They wanted, my lord, entire 15 bighas should be in their name. So now, my lord, some concocted FIR has been lost, stating that, my lord, these signatures were obtained federally. 15 bighas are ancestral land, and it will be, my lord, mutated in their name, my lord, as a periodic patta does, as per the, my lord, Basundhara scheme, my lord. For that purpose, this affidavit was sworn. And in fact, the Zamavati copy also, my lord, I have a next. The names of all the, my lord, petitioner as well as the complainant are there, my lord. Now, where is the fraud made, my lord? Had it been that, my lord, this affidavit was prepared with a particular para that, my lord, the complainants will have no objection, my lord, if this, my lord, 15 bighas are made in the name of the present petitioners, then there would have been a fraud. Here they say that, my lord, it will be in all our name, my lord. That is the 7 brothers. And this is the ancestral land, my lord. And these, my lord, complainants are their uncle's son. 4 sons are there. So they have lost this, my lord, FIR. Now they want that, my lord, entire 15 bighas should be in their name. Whereas in the FIR also they have stated their own, my lord, statement that, my lord, these are ancestral land, 15 bighas. So that fraud part, my lord, is apparently not there, my lord. Thus, you will see the very first line, page 22. The complainant and the accused persons are cousins. The complainant is a co-pattada in respect of land so and so, under so and so, in the district so and so. And Lordship will see the date of the, my lord, affidavit that has been mentioned in the FIR at page 22. Second para, it is mentioned that on 18/11/23, the accused so and so.
Yes,
Not
Ms. Das from Boginodi.
In the meantime, my lord, they should be protected.
19. Will appear before.
Yes, madam, they will appear.
10th. 40,000.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, 482 PNSS application, your lordship. FIR is at page number 12, your lordship. Here, your lordship, the allegation is that, your lordship, 52 numbers of cattle, your lordship, has been illegally transported and was suspected to be stolen, your lordship. And using 5 numbers of, your lordship, vehicle, your lordship. Here, your lordship, the owner of 4 numbers of vehicle before your lordship, seeking protection, your lordship. Here, your lordship, to support my case, your lordship, I have annexed to one, your lordship, ordered of lordship, judicial magistrate first class of Hamren, your lordship, at page number 20, your lordship.
Yes.
Yes, page number 20, if your lordship kindly come to page number 20, your lordship. Here, your lordship, IO, the concerned investigation officer, your lordship, submitted a report, your lordship, that cattle was genuinely bought from the Katpara market, your lordship. And after verifying all the receipt, your lordship, the Lanit JMFC also, Hamren lordship, release, your lordship, take Jimma of that the cattle to the owners, your lordship. So it was, lordship, genuinely purchased from Katpara, lordship, market, your lordship, daily market, your lordship, except 16 numbers of cattle, that was not there, your lordship. Otherwise, your lordship, that was verified from Katpara market only, your lordship. The IO himself verified the same, your lordship, that it was genuinely bought from the Katpara daily market, your lordship. It was not stolen, your lordship.
अपने वाला खोलते हो ना।
Appear before the IO, not before 10th.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Case diary by 18th, 19th, whenever you get.
19.
Who is concerned? None appeared for the petition and for list after. Week. Come on.
My pleasure. FSL was called for it.
Malad, in 19, Malad, FSL not yet received.
We have asked,
Yes, yes. One,
inform Mr.
yes, yes,
Dipankar Nath.
Dipankar Nath, Malad, yes. One report they have given, Malad.
Today is 119 days, Your
He'll come.
We'll take it after some time.
After some time.
No representation.
22.
Already submitted actually. 21 submitted.
21.
18 মাতিছিল 21 charge sheet
Give the number.
233/24 dated 23/11/24.
Dated
23/11/24.
233.
233 of
Full picture.
My lord, I am sorry, my lord, I am item number 18, my lord. Updated cash day was called for, my lord.
18, no? Yes. MKS appointed with updated CD mallet not this. Updated CD, no, this is updated 18 status scan copy. Yes, mallet two witness examine mallet victim and mallet PW1 and 2 on 5/8/24. But it was fixed on 19/11/24 for further evidence. But subsequent to that, mallet I have flag marked up mallet PW1 is a victim, only 12 years old girl, and her 164 also I have flag mark mallet. It does. That was my side, 164 12 বছর আমি ভিতরে পানি গেছিল এবং মা তাহার না PW1 and 2 examine private, one is a victim. Is different section question. Haro. Are you trying 164 and evidence? Okay. Yeah. Updated status, 1911 for evidence, corporation 9. Remove one, no. Only 1911 no विषय से नहीं आता है, but PW1 to order. Okay.
What happened on 3rd of December?
My lord, the equipment was produced, my lord,
Hmm?
but no evidence was taken, my lord.
What happened on 3rd of December?
My lord, he was produced from the jail, my lord, but no evidence was taken, my lord.
And my lord, by going through the my lord, evidence of the PW1, and to luckily the mother came at that time, moment, my lord, otherwise, my lord, any untoward incident will be happen, my lord. And 164 and her evidence, my lord.
Our evidence is not here.
But yes, PW1, my lord. Yes. PW1.
My lord, if you lordships go through the vernacular of the FIR, my lord, page 10, my lord, it seems, my lord, it is influenced, my lord.
A 12-year-old girl, my lord. And how she was put question by the magistrate, my lord. Other question has been put before registering this evidence, my lord.
উপজেলাৰ মই মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীক খঙত দাবী ধমকি দি সুধিবলৈ যোৱাত মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীয়ে ভয়ত মোক একো নকলে আৰু অলপ সময় পিছত আমাৰ ঘৰৰ মালিকৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে মোৰ ছোৱালীজনীৰ মৰমতে সদা উক্ত ব্যক্তিজনে তাইক অতি উদ্যমত ধান দিয়ে বুলি জনালে।
Yes, he was frightened at that point of time. Now, he is 32 years old. Girl is only 12 years, my lord.
4 years old.
4
4 years old, my lord.
MS and us. Corresponding to DR number 6762202. As for the FIR dated 14/11/2024. তার আগত নে ফার্স্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখিব। The receipt of a specific information on 14/11/2024 around 6 p.m. that a vehicle filled with stolen goods been coming from Jalupuri side towards Bamuni Medam Bazar, Kanmar. For dear sale. Police personnel after making JD entry number 17 dated 14/11/2024. Read out to locate the said vehicle. During search, the police personnel intercepted a family sedan by a Maruti Suzuki Baleno vehicle, bearing registration number AS01 EL2550 at Honorable Bamuni with 11 numbers of boats suspected to be stolen inside the same vehicle. And 2 persons were apprehended, including the present 2 petitioners and another, a child, 16 years. Those 2 persons were apprehended and during questioning, it was learned that the goods were stolen from different areas from Dorong district. Mr. Decker, when at council appearing later on 15/11/2024, the petitioners were produced for the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Compartment. Mr. Decker, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioners submitted that they were not connected with the case and theft of those seized boats and they brought it to Bamuni Madam Bajar Chanmari as per direction given by its owners to deliver it to a meat seller at Bamuni Madam Bajar. As per the petitioners, the petition number 1, the driver of the seized vehicle, and the petition number 2 is the helper of it. Considering their detention since 15/10/2002, 15/11/2024, the petitioners have paid for their plea. There is the case there is placed by Ms. and that's standardization of the case there it is seen that it's an organized crime where many are involved, including some officials. It is also found in the case that the goats were tied in their legs and their mouths were tied by tapes, plastic tapes only. And amongst the 11 seized goats, there is also pregnant goat. Considering the materials in the case there and the investigation so far made by the concern, I hope of the case, Court is of the opinion for their custody detention. Not warrant. $50,000 each to local security each. Shall appear before the concerned investigating officer every Monday commencing from 16th. But the condition Friday. Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup met. Return the case to
Highly obliged, my lord.
Here, your lordship, the CBI has filed an objection yesterday evening, your lordship. I need to take some instructions from my client, your lordship, on the allegations, your lord, maybe taken up on Wednesday next year.
Lordship, that apart, Lordship, I want to apprise this honorable court, Lordship, charge sheet in this case has been filed, Lordship.
That has probably not accepted, your lordship, to my.
That same case, Lordship, two accused persons were there. They have been filed. There's been
Statement is coming up at 2 o'clock.
at 2 o'clock.
Lordship. Obliged.
May I praise your lordship? Regular bail application, my lord. In connection with this case, where this PRS bail was rejected earlier, my lord, FIR is page 14.
My lord,
Yes, Mr.
my lord, yes, my lord, in that case, my lord rejected on my lord 18/11/24. At that point of time, the girl was missing. Subsequently, her dead body was found near my lord Bhorolu.
Yeah.
And postmortem report available, my lord. This case, very voluminous case, done by Bhaskar Sharma, my lord, may be taken on Thursday or Friday, my lord. 2-3 days. We have some difficulty, my lord, on Thursday, my lord. And
The victim has been found dead.
yes, my lord. Postmortem reports are available, my lord, but regarding his involvement in all this, my lord, he has already gone for, my lord.
You have the postmortem report.
Yes.
That's possible.
That was manual strangulation during life, which is homicidal in nature.
My lord, before going through CD, just I would like to highlight 2 points,
No,
if I permit, my lord.
Not at
I have
this
not yet gone for, my lord.
We'll have it, we'll definitely consider.
Forwarding report, it says, my lord, present petitioner was against the present petitioner. Section 103 as well as section 143 kingdom not affected, my
Mr.
lord, as per
Radha,
forwarding.
definitely consider as soon as, because it will have not only one person probably, there are other persons. Her husband was also there, they went to some place.
Yes, my lord, that day he is pressurizing, my lord, that day, my lord, rejected, and that day evening, my lord, when the case was, my lord, evening, my lord, we have seen in the news, my lord, that body was found
On 13th.
13th.
my lord. Most obliged, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Talukdar.
There was called for.
It is.
For equity application, I asked it on 21/11 lordship. He made a viral of a girl, naked video of a girl. That is the allegation, lordship. And moreover, his mobile has been seized, everything has been seized. And he is first year student of
Yes.
BA.
That is not the tag. That is the mentality you have to see.
No, but regarding
What would
his
have
age
happened
also.
to if her mother or
He is
sister?
only 19 years old.
That is not the case.
Because
I'm
considering his age and.
You have to see the criminality in the mind.
That is true. That is. But everything has been seized, mobile and everything has been seized.
Definitely consider.
And apart from that, except 67, IT Act, other section will not be attracted. 67 may extend to 3 years punishment.
Heard Mr. D. Kaluguru. Counsel appearing for the petition. May send us an additional for the proceeding. Already, Baba. Corresponding to GN number 1413 within wicket K 2024. In which the petitioner was arrested on 21/11/2024 and in custody since. As per the affair of the case, lost by the mother of the victim on 19/11/2024 before the Polasbury police station is that the petitioner mother Nohali brother elder brother under pretext of under inducing his sister his or her is inducing her sister on the pretext of love affair, who is a minor, ask her to make a nude video of her and to send it to him. And according to the minor sister forwarded a nude video to the petitioner. And after receiving the same in his mobile, the petitioner viral it. Viral the nude video of his sister. Where is the case there? It is seen that case there it is placed by misunderstanding public. Now the statement it is seen from the case that the statement of the minor victim, 13 years of has been recorded under section 183 BNS Judicial Magistrate on 21/11/2024. Third, the authorities of the Child Welfare Committee, Kamrup, Guwahati, Office of the District Child Protection Officer, also recorded her statement on 21/11/2024. Further, the police have already seized 3 mobile handsets, one from which the minor victim forwarded to the petitioner, another from the petitioner, and the other one, and the third one will from a witness who received it from the petitioner. Considering the materials in the case and the age of the accused petitioner, who is of 19 years old, the court is of further custodial petition is not warranted for any 50,000. Baki condition with the victim of the court by himself or anyone. Return the case. Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup.
Aminga. Macho.
Well, I'll get considered, but it's put over.
May it please your lordship.
Evidence of 2 BW available.
Earlier
Lordship,
considered by this court over.
Lordship, here two things I need to place, Lordship. First, the first place, the petitioner is that while at the time of arrest, he was 71 years and now he is 72. And his health condition, so for my instruction, is very, very serious, Lordship. That is one aspect, Lordship.
Why it has come before this court? Earlier, whether this court considered the matter?
Lordship?
Whether this court earlier considered the matter?
No, Lordship, filed and subsequently it was withdrawn due to some technical point. And Lordship has dealt with the co-accused application. That is why it is before your Lordship.
Okay.
And now almost a year behind the bars, Lordship. And if your Lordship come to the
What is the recovery?
Lordship,
What is the recovery?
recovery is Lordship would be pleased to find that page 18, Lordship. No, sorry, page 17. Page 16. Page 16. RC cough plus. May I read the contents, Lordship? During the search, following items recovered from the possession of Narayan Chandra Nath, son of so-and-so, ward number so-and-so, Dhubri, Assam, and Faisal Haq. Faisal Haq is the present petitioner. And all recovery was made from the house of the Narayan Chandra Nath. The recovery are, Lordship, RC number 1, RC cough plus 30 numbers. Entire bottle, weight of entire bottle also taken, Lordship. Probably that I will dispute because only the contents 100 ml, that should be taken into account. Here, entire bottle has been taken in consideration. And then Provent Spasma Plus capsule, 10 strips, 240 numbers. Then nitrozepam tablets, 14 strip, 140 tablets. That is all, Lordship. These are the recovery. This generally comes under psychotropic. It's a scheduled drug, psychotropic substance, Lordship. And all these all these recovery are made from the house of the Narayan Chandra Nath. So for my instruction again, this petitioner was a guest on that particular day, on that unfortunate day. He went to this Narayan Chandra Das place for attending some function. That is my instruction, Lordship. And he's a old man having a very otherwise also, if your Lordship consider that joint possession, it will distribute among two. And so far, again, Lordship, coming back to the deposition of the witnesses, none of them has implicated the present petitioner, Lordship. A year behind the bar, almost 360 days, 365 days, starting from 5 to 2000. Almost a year, Lordship.
Tablet strips, my lord, 240 into each tablet 0.65 gram. It will be 156 gram and 240 and 140 tablet each 0.53 gram, 74.2 gram. And 30 bottles, gross weight is 170 gram. If we take 100 ml, then again it will come around 3 kg. 30 bottles.
Undoubtedly, it comes under 22C of the NDPS Act, Lordship, but it is psychotropic. It's a scheduled drug, Lordship. It's a restricted drug.
And
but here, Lordship, I totally deny the any recovery from the possession of the petitioner. All recovery were made from the house of the Narayan Chandra Nath.
two seizure witness, I have flag mark. And till the deposition of the IO and the official expert.
IO hoega.
IO,
No, no,
IO one.
IO one.
These are seizure witness. Total 7 witness.
In NDPS case, Lordship, seizure witness happens to be the most vital witness because the entire recovery will be proved by them. The fate of the prosecution case lies on the deposition of the seizure witness, Lordship. Even in that count also, Lordship, no implication. So, Lordship, recording conviction in my favor is very, very bleak, Lordship. But I'm not that, Lordship. I've spent
Mr. Parasar, here the accept his presence.
Yes, my lord. Seizure.
Is there
Yes.
anything else? What we didn't found in the case record is this,
I have seen
parts
the.
of the case there is not complete here. That is the difficulty. Necessarily the statement of the witnesses, the statement of
these parts are not
the
available. Yes, yes.
accused persons would have been there under section 67 in the record,
These
the
parts are not,
NDPS Act or rules. It is not available here.
not available.
We don't know. Because,
Lordship, before that, I just,
yes,
the Lordship allow me.
yes, please.
So far, I've been instructed from the client that his health condition is very, very serious.
We'll do the needful.
Any report may be called for. My lord. I'll call for report. My lord.
The
Jail officer.
how many witnesses? Two.
Two witness,
Two,
these are
two
witness,
witnesses, two
Lordship.
seizure witness examined out of
Yes,
7.
Lordship. So for my understanding goes, Lordship, Caesar witness happens to be the most vital witness because
Said so.
they are to prove the prosecution case, Lordship. Because everything lies on the Caesar part only. As the Caesar is made, that is why petitioner is behind the bars, Lordship.
In the Sasit Malak, that is written that the Faizul helped him vigorously in purchasing the said drugs. So how it is come to the Malak observation?
The case record is only up to 08-10-2024. Special Judge NDPS, Dubri, come additional session judge. Special Judge NDPS, come additional session judge, Dubri. Well, forward. Eligible scan copy. Call for the up-to-date records. of nuisance case number for special NDPS case number 447/2024 arising out of WPS case number 34/2024. After 08/10/2002. After the petition as on 31st December. Along with the copy of the case diary of WPS case number list on 8 of
Not,
will not be available on 8.
no, Lordship, prior to
It will not-
vacation, Lordship.
Do you want it up to 31st December?
Lordship may call for the scan copy, Lordship.
You are asking for.
Any date prior to vacation, Lordship, along with the health condition report, Lordship, from the jail authority. I insist for that, Lordship, along with the health condition, prior to vacation, Lordship,
19th. 19th
19th December.
December for up to 11th December for. It is submitted by Ms. Tiso that the petitioner is now 72 years old, is suffering from medical ailments. The jail authority of District Jail Dhubri shall provide proper medical care to the petitioner. District Jail Dhubri proper medical care to the petitioner and shall also submit and also and the superintendent of District Jail Dhubri shall submit the health report of the petitioner. List on Manprati, copy of this order to Mr. K.K. Parasar for his necessary.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, regarding 26, Lordship, I may allow to withdraw, Lordship, since it is fixed on 19, Lordship, the instruction I have received, Lordship, they said they will approach the court below, Lordship. Highly obliged.
20.
Yes, Mr. Halu.
Lordship, I just received some instruction. There's been accepted on Lordship. These are the mail that which I have received right now, Lordship. It reveals that the charge sheet has been filed on 30/11 and it has been received by the learned court below. And just now I have received a mail, I mean to say over phone in my WhatsApp. It has been accepted also on 30/11. I specially sent the IO to verify on record, Lordship, and he went to the special court personally and he verified, and he from the Sirasta Lordship, he got the information. It has been accepted on 30/11 only. Completely false information, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Kolija.
Lordship, the same Sirostata told us, and accordingly we have submitted the affidavit because we were not given the certified copy. But now, at the first leg, also I took apprised this honorable court that whether charge sheet has been filed or not, it is secondary issue. Whether the status of the charge sheet is interim, that is the primary issue, and I am submitting on this to this honorable court, my lord. Because the status of the charge sheet that has been filed by them, let us presume that it has been filed and it has been accepted. but it is of interim nature according to their own version. And they have submitted an affidavit. They have, Lordship, I may kindly be.
We are talking about interim. What we have to know is that there is
Lordship, kindly
possibility
see
of
there.
further investigation is always open.
No, further investigation, then court permission has to be obtained in terms of the new provisions of law. That is that they cannot bifurcate. It is simply an attempt to mislead this honorable court. Their attempt to scuttle the fundamental right of the accused. Now he
Can get a copy of the search sheet, that will be better.
that is what, my lord. That is what.
We can
That is
fix
what.
next week any date.
No, Lordship, what they have stated that they have admitted here in their affidavit, that is very much helpful to us, Lordship, because they have stated here that one search sheet has been filed, but further investigation is continuing. There are a lot of witnesses to be examined, lot of materials to be searched and seized. So the investigation process is continuing. And in that situation, if they have filed any report, that can be called a status report only, as per the version of as per the verdict of the Honorable Supreme Court. And that cannot take the place of the search sheet within meaning of 183, 193, I think, 193 of the BNSS, 193 Lordship. So my respect.
But we are getting a report from the special judge.
Yes, yes. And affidavit may kindly be also considered their affidavit, my lord. They have
Their
categorically
affidavit is
admitted.
not before us, Mr. Kolita. Their objection or affidavit, whatever, it is not before us today. When did you file?
My case yesterday.
Your case yesterday.
On 5th December, yesterday, not yesterday.
But it does not call. Call for it to order না কোনো মেনশন মেমো দিয়ে না কোনো মেনশন মেমো দিয়ে এখানে কাজে কল করাকে আইলে না হবে না নিউ আমি আসবো এটা বিচারিন পেটি আছে Third, Mr. Escolita, counsel appearing for the petition. Item number 2. And Mr. M. House, special public prosecutor for the CBI. Mr. Halu for the CBI submitted that charge sheet in the case has been filed on 4th
30/11.
30/11/2024. However, Mr. Kolita, learned counsel for the petitioner, object to the same, objected to the same and submitted that the learned special judge have not accepted the said charge sheet.
Had we pleaded from our knowledge, Lordship, kindly, it may be on record.
From their knowledge. Mr. Kalita, learned counsel for the petitioner, also submitted an explanatory report that the search sheet filed on 30/11/2024 is also not complete and partial, since in the affidavit or objection.
It's a written objection.
Written objection filed by the CBI in the present case. It is categorically stated. Mr. Kulita, just give us a copy. What is there?
Yes, written objection, but supported by affidavit, Lordship.
It doesn't matter.
Kindly take it. Kindly see here, they have categorically mentioned that investigation is on.
partial will be not complete. In that regard, Mr. Kalita, place the paragraph 14 of the written objection filed by the savior on 5/12/2024 in the present bail application, copy of which has already been served upon him. From the said para 14 of the written objection of the CBI, Mr. Kalita submitted that the CBI categorically stated that the case is under further investigation, comma, number of witnesses are yet to be examined, comma, number of vital documents related to the case are yet to be collected that are vital for purpose of investigation of the case. The case record placed before the court doesn't have the objection filed by the CBI in this application. Registry shall obtain up-to-date orders of the learned special judge Assam pertaining to the filing of charge sheet by the CBI on 30/11/2024 in CBI Guwahati case number RC 22620223 capital E 0002 arising out of Gitanagar PS case number 174/2024. Registry shall also incorporate the written objection filed by the CBI in this bill application. List on we'll give a try on 11th.
Master.
The difficulty is board is full, you cannot even.
Master like that.
But anyway, we'll consider it on today's, it will go 11. Common order.
Master like.
Highly approved.
Number doesn't it? Like,
Malad, the issue, malad, Lanat raised, malad, I need some time, malad, maybe kindly fix on, malad, next Thursday or Friday, malad, kindly, malad. Malad, the issue is that I have to, malad.
Thursday not possible. Thursday we are having only NDPS matters, as you know.
Malad,
And we can have it on either on Wednesday.
or Friday, malad?
Friday.
If we have the council. Yes, next.
Oblige.
32, malad, charge sheet submitted.
Number?
Charge sheet number 39/24, dated 3/06/24.
Ready. What's your good name? Z. Borgedion.
3/06.
Z. Borgedion. What's your full name? Ghanshyam Borgedion. Yes, next. Obvious. Yes,
Lordship, the petitioner is on interim lordship. Lordship, the allegation is that
Malad, regarding the service, malad, today, malad, we have tried to, malad, contact the, malad, OC, malad, but phone is not connecting, malad. Only regarding service, malad. Otherwise, materials are there, malad. I have gone through the case diary, malad. He is not the prime accused, malad. He is the brother-in-law, Hindu of the, malad, prime accused, malad. And his house, the victim girl was kept for a night. Prime accused is one, malad, other person. One Samim Islam. He is the brother-in-law. Victim is around 16 years girl, and from his home, malad, she was recovered, malad, by police. Police and the, malad, family members of the victim.
Lordship, the petitioner himself informed the informants, Lordship, about her daughter in his home, Lordship, and handed over the informant.
Mr. Parashar,
My lord.
matter is pending since 27th.
Yes. Malad, today itself, malad, I tried to contact with the OC, malad. One chance, malad. I'll next.
Tell us which day.
And next week, malad, any date, malad. Any date, malad. By Monday, I can put a sub or not, malad.
16.
16, malad.
Hello.
Case there receive your. Page number 14, I am appearing from Mr. D. Hussain. Allegation of loss of government fund amounting to rupees 57 lakh.
Yes, Mr. Fukan,
My lord, yes.
you have seen the FIR.
My lord, yes. Step from the case there, my lord, he is one of the, my lord, the kingpin. Who, my lord, doing all this, my lord, the act. Here, my lord, there is in, my lord, the advertisement was issued, my lord, for the constructions of the under the PMGSY, my lord, packages regarding construction of bridge, roads and drainage. From it has in the petitioner was, my lord, at that point of time, my lord, he was working as an assistant engineer, my lord. Sri Bale, assistant executive engineer, my lord, under the, my lord, PWRD, Hailakandi district, my lord. And here what happened, my lord, without execution of the work, my lord.
That we have seen, that is why the FIR.
Yes, my lord, here also, my lord, they have prepared a false report and there is a, my lord, procedure where, my lord, the OMMAS, Online Management Monitoring and Accounting System, where it shows, my lord, the work was completed physically on 26/5/2021. But on scrutiny of the respective office file, it was found that the work was shown completely physically on 24/3/2022. And he is the, my lord, mastermind who, my lord, prepared the false bill and the payment was made to the contractors, my lord, the entire amount, releasing the entire amount without having the completion of the work. That is the allegations. He, along with other, my lord, the executive engineers, AE, GE, all are, my lord, with connivance, my lord, doing the state corruptions, my lord. There is an amount of rupees sanctioned, 5 crores 94 lakhs 1,518, my lord. Total
Now,
works, my lord.
Bridge has been constructed.
My lord?
Bridge has been constructed, the approach roads are not there.
Yes, the approach note is even, my lord, they have seen, my lord, the bridge was also, my lord, not completely constructed, my lord. The work was not completed. But they have released the amount, entire amount after showing, and the report was sent to the higher authority. They shows that, my lord, work is completed.
Now, why their pastoral interrogation is required?
My lord, the investigation is still going on, my lord, regarding the payments and the mode of payments, how they have, my lord, the released the amount, my lord, through their online processes. So his, my lord, pastoral interrogation is necessary at this stage, my lord. Because the government funds, my lord, the economic offense, my lord. So we cannot, my lord, the investigation cannot be completed, my lord, the after interrogation of the, my lord, accused petitioners.
Annexure 6 and page number 23 may be paired with your lordship. Annexure 6, but Annexure 6, your lordship, page number 22. Pursuant to this, we have appeared, your lordship, and submitted those documents before. And in addition to that, your lordship, we have also filed an additional affidavit on 11/11/2024. And bringing that the work, approach work and all the work has already been completed and report has been submitted in this regard by the superintendent engineer. Page number 32, annexure 9 of the additional affidavit. And more importantly, your lordship, page number 22 of the main bail application, the allegation is that 57 lakhs of rupees has been
misutilized government fund, your lordship, but in the account itself, your lordship, 56 lakh 62,390 rupees was still there, your lordship. These were prepared, admitted, lordship.
So what was the amount you have paid?
Payment was not made, your lordship. Only thing is that, lordship, they have prepared the bills. And it has been forwarded. Allegation has been that without completion of the work, particularly the approach works of the bridge, your lordship, but this bill were completed. Subsequently, lordship, we have brought on the record an additional affidavit. Lordship, will kindly peruse that page number 32, annexure 9, your lordship. Annexure, inquiry into the alleged irregularities in execution of work, so and so.
Yes. Where you have settled? That money is still there, with whom?
Annexure, page number 23 of the bail application, your lordship.
Page number?
23 of the bail application, your lordship.
Yes.
Amount of money required to be complete for remaining balance work is so and so. Construction of Anipur NEC road to Harinagar to Purbo Barula under so and so. Patarkandi and Authority territorial jurisdiction. Detailed status and fund available with the department. Second part, your lordship, from bottom. Not that, your lordship, payment has already been made at that point of time, your lordship. It was processed, lordship. And at present, report is submitted on 21st of February 2023. The execution of work is found to be satisfactory as per provision of the DPR. And we have in person notice annexure 7. We have submitted all the documents before the IO, your lordship.
Mr. Apokan.
My lord.
It has been given by all the officials to verify that amount is there or not.
My lord.
Right?
But subsequently, work has completed, your lordship. Additional affidavit.
When the work was completed?
Report was submitted on 21st of February 2023. 21st of February 2023, your lordship.
Where you have stated so?
Additional affidavit, your lordship.
Yes, we are reading on that.
That's going to be on 31st, that superintendent engineer so and so.
Which paragraph?
Basically, paragraph 3, page number 28, your lordship. An inquiry regarding the alleged irregular in execution of the work under so and so found to be physically completed as per provision of the so and so, and accordingly on 24/2/2024, the superintendent engineer submitted an inquiry report before the deputy secretary PWRD Dr. Vasam, enclosing the photographs which report, your lordship. In this regard, report has been annexed as annexure 8, page number 31 onwards. your lordship. Page number 37, that may be permitted. Second photograph below, your lordship.
Here from the case study, my lord, what the after investigations, IO has found, my lord. They have seized, my lord, the measurements, forwarding reports, NIT, everything they have seized. And later on, it was came to know that the Baldev Sinha, the assistant executive assistant engineer TC, and Sri Sahidur Rahman Lohkar. PWRD did not follow the procedure and uploaded the work on 26/5/2021 in OMMAS Online Management Monitoring and Accounting System about 800 metered walk length, including 4 numbers of RCC bridge, approach protections work like boulder, apron, boulder pitchings, guardrail were not yet to be completed. It is found that the tender value of work of rupees 5,94,01,518 only, but approx work done is 57 and protection work done 5.97 lakhs. Total value of work amounting rupees 62.97 lakh yet to be completed. Inquiry officer Sri Debojit Sohoria and Sri Biraj Talukja suggested the government of PW had taken stern action against these alleged officials. On examinations, the above noted witnesses came to the light that FIR name accused, the present petitioner, did not follow the procedure of the road under the PMGSY project and uploaded a false completion report of the work on 26/5/2021 in OMMS without completing the sum of the work such as this protection work like boulder, apron, boulder pitchings on slope, guardwall, road signing, etc., which valued amount 43 lakhs. And without following the proper procedure of their duties, their work, they have prepared a false report and it was false information given to the higher authority that work has been completed and released the contractor bills to the contractors. There is connivance with the contractors also, the officials. And it's in the public money, it's the government money, yeah. So, Lordship, may I hand over the case that you, Lordship, may pages, I have tag marked each and every pages. Take on video. It is in modus operandi, not only he, other officials also, they are doing all this thing. Top to bottom, everyone is involved in it.
Even at the age of getting easy to plan. Even at the
You are Mr.
R.H. Chaudhary.
Counsel for the petition. And Mr. M. Guarded, public prosecutor. District. Petitioner. Relevant point of time. Assistant Executive Engineer, within bracket T/C, bracket close. Silsar and Udarban Territorial Roads Division. PWRD. Hailakandi District Territorial Road Division. And in charge Assistant Executive Engineer in bracket C, Ratabari Territorial Road Subdivision. None of certain Baki certain. Ending is arrest in Vigilance PS case number 01/2024 under section file disqualification seeking clearance. Right. Matter relates to Vigilance PS case number such and such. Matter relates to anything. Embezzlement of public fund and measure irregularities by way of payment of final bill releasing SD money, SRD capital to the contractor of the PMGSY package number AS13-261 in Patharkandi and Ratabari Territorial Road Division, Ramkrishnanagar, Karimganj, relating to construction of road from Anipur NEC Road at Harinagar to Purbo PURBO, Barwala BARULA. Petitioner is one of the FIN accused. Case diary reveals that case diary placed before report by Mr. M. The involvement of the petitioner in illegally releasing public fund to the contractor concerned by the petitioner and his other associates. Without even completing the work of PMGSY package number AS-13-261 in Patharkandi and Ratabari Territorial Road Division, RK Nagar, Karimganj. Which came to the light only after An inquiry was made from the side of the PWD. Pending sufficient involvement of the petitioner. Nothing such for it. The court is of the view. In the case that sufficient not a fit case to grant real estate. Cancel.
Much obliged.
May it please. This matter was mentioned today, my lord, because I was unwell, my lord. But as because the case diary was there, my lord, so no adjournment was given. It's okay, my lord. Now I am here.
No, that is not the thing. Only when he made the mention for another date, we want to just see the relevant time. We did not say that.
No issues, my lord. Not at all.
We will not say that we will not take up.
No issues, my lord. No at all. My lord, here is a case wherein, my lord, this petitioner with your lordship, my lord, may I take your lordship to the affair, my lord. Young boys, my lord. It's been like one of the petitioner accused, Prasenjit Banerjee, is in love with a girl. Now, some kind of arrangement with regard to her marriage was happening with another guy. So he, at the heat of the moment, came along with a pistol and he was using the vehicle of the petitioner before your lordship. Then when he reached that particular place, he was being caught by all the persons out there. And thereafter, he called all his friends. And the petitioner before lordship is one of the friends. FIR is at page 10, my lord, wherein number of persons who has been, my lord, named in the FIR is 5 in number. 5 accused persons, my lord, Prasenjit Banerjee, Surajit, my lord, Aditya, and Ronnie, my lord. It should be 4, my lord. But anyway, out of these 2 persons were arrested at the place of occurrence and the rest of the person flee. Yes, they were present. They came subsequently, my lord. And to my client, he also came in subsequently, my lord. And the vehicle number appears in the affair belongs to the petitioner before lordship, my lord. And it was being used by Prasenjit Banerjee, my lord. Various sections of law has been there incorporated, my lord. I am on interim bail, my lord. I appear before the IO. My statement has been recorded, my lord. This has been the crux. Now, he being a young person, my lord, no criminal antecedents. My lord, will kindly come to, my lord, page 19, wherein, my lord, he is a guy who is a tech guy, my lord, without a tech degree, my lord, and he could, my lord, got an award of 3.5 lakhs from Google rewards. So now he's been working in Bangalore for a tech company as a security expert. This is one of the achievements with regard to this guy, my lord. And at page 20, my lord, will kindly see. Page 20, epidays of smart meters are easily hackable, claims Assam Tech. And this was the article on the basis of which he got a lot of accumulations with regard to this, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Paras.
My lord, 5% came in a Scorpio car.
The thing is, just tell us whether
Yes, my lord.
custodial intervention is required or not. That
Custodial
much.
intervention, my lord, regarding that, 1 person caught, my lord, Prasenjit Banerjee was caught.
That's right.
From whom, my lord, my lord, unlicensed revolver was recovered. Yes. Now, from the statement of the Prasenjit Banerjee, my lord, yes, my lord, that 5% total came, and Amar Aneta pistol, Roni Dasar Hatutu Ase. So 1 person is moving around, my lord, without a unlicensed, my lord, revolver or pistol, my lord.
Fine. For that, whether
Yes,
he need
yes, that is necessary, my lord, because he is roaming around, my lord, with an unlicensed pistol, my lord. 1 pistol seized from the Prasenjit. Now, Prasenjit stated that in his statement, Amar Arwata pistol, Roni Dasar Hatutu Ase. and he purchased it from Delhi with 30,000 rupees. Atmarokkhar karne mat 20,000 toka Delhi pura eta pistol kinisilu. Now, if a person is moving around malad without a license malad pistol malad, his custodial intervention necessary malad, and they went to the house of a person malad hit then blank fire. When the elderly person malad father came,
We are giving interim, he will appear, then you give us the final case. Right?
My lord.
If it doesn't cooperate, we'll see to that.
Yes, no, he has already
My lord.
appeared, my lord, interim order is there.
Is it?
Yeah, yes, he appeared, duly appeared, my lord.
my lord, but
And there are other accused persons, my lord, I am placing it before your lordship.
they Prosenjit
Yeah.
malad his statement malad
Giti by delay.
interim
Interim order, my lord.
811.
811.
811 malad
No, I'm sorry. 18-9, my lord. 18-9.
18-9.
He duly appeared many a times, my lord. He has been called to police station, he appeared many a times, my lord. He is not a criminal, and he is a physically handicapped person, my lord. That certificate is also been there. My lord. And as for the affair, there is only one gun, my lord.
Oh, one gun seized malad. That is
Yeah.
with other
No.
play
As for the affair informant, it's been stated in the last paragraph, my lord. The accused person, namely Procedural, was apprehended with a pistol and handed over to police.
malad his statement malad
Doesn't
after
appear.
11 yet.
Let it be sent back, my lord.
Is there is up to which date, Mr. Parashar?
Kaiser is up to malad 15 20th of 11.
That might have forwarding.
No, 28th is last entry malad.
Before 28-11, he appeared, my lord, many a times, my lord.
312 we have received malad.
Person the case the related.
Prosenjit Banerjee's statement is of 25/8. Subsequent to that malad
After getting my interim, I gone by this. Into the order DTV. Will be there. Best panel ulal, no?
yeah. Prosenjit das agote
Possibly better. Possibly better. 8-11. It will be there. I'll get that out. It will be good. That is great. How do I get it? Umesh Kumar. Itu ya, itu pun.
ये पुलिस को इसको बोलते हैं, पुलिस से लड़ो, इधर पार्टी मार तुम मारपीट मत करो।
তার হাতত যদি পিস্তল আছে
नहीं नहीं तो ये भाई ग्रास नहीं very country happy with the do you want to see it every
नहीं तो सॉरी पिता नाला 10 मीटर होगा
वैसा ही पसंद करेगा तो तक देगा जूता खोला तीनटा खोला थ्री ऑफ देम विल गेट My lord, two were apprehended at the place of occurrence. They have been released, and three, my lord, they ran away, including the petitioner. They have been provided with interim that has been made absolute, my lord. And my lord, I have specifically stated in
Mr.
paragraph
Bhaiya, I
7.
think something else will come out now, probably, but then we will not disclose anything in this stage. Mr. Parashar,
My lord,
uh, see, basically, two persons were arrested. Now, as you have seen, there are others. With regard to the present petitioner,
Yes,
the investigation was carried out up to 1511,
yes.
but
His statement is not there, my lord.
there is no mention that he appeared or.
No, he appeared.
Nothing as of now.
Yes, yes.
Let
Court-
me,
Let it be, my lord.
court's
Again, he
order
will
copy,
appear, no
court's order
issues.
copy also not available. Definitely, my lord, original court's order.
whatever we do not know, you do one thing. Passing the other list. Third, Mr. A.K. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. K.K. Parasar, Learned Counsel for the prosecutor. Apprehending his arrest in connection with certain such case. Petitioner preferred, petitioner namely Ronnie Das, son of preferred his anticipated bail application in such and such case. By order dated 18/9/2024. The court, while called for the case there, granted interim bail the petitioner Ronnie Das, directing him to appear before the investigating officer, said Bongaigaon PS case number 30. Within next 10 days from 1809-2024. The requested court is there a place before the court? Because it's a real and additional the counsel for the petitioner also placed copy of the orders passed by coordinate bench of this court on 8/10/2024 in BA number, bail application number 3061/2024, by which one of the arrested accused persons of the case in chief, Umesh Kumar Prasad, alias Suraj Prasad, was released on bail, as well as by order dated 08/11/2024. The arrested accused Prosenjit Banerjee was released on bail. Order.
Auditor's statement.
By order dated
I don't know.
8/11/2024. Passed in AB number 2664/2024. With regard to accused Aditya Singh, ADITY, SNJH, alias Singha, Son of Blade Dharmender Singh, SNJH. Orders dated 8/11. AB number 2731/2024. In case of Prosenjit Mahato, son of Pradip Mahato, were granted pre-arrest bail in said Bongaigaon PS case number such and such. The case there is up to such and such. On the next date fixed, Mr. Parasar and additional public prosecutor. On the next date fixed, the concerned investigating officer of Bongaigaon PS case number 290/2024 shall apprise the court as to whether the petitioner such and such had appeared before the concerned investigating officer of pursuant to the order of report dated 1809/2024 on the present bail application or not.
ये तो वीडियो बनाते हैं वही तो एफिडेविट दे दी
This is the case that list on an ipso as to when he appeared, when said Petitioner Ronnie appeared before the IO, when his statement was recorded in the said Bongaigaon PS case number. List on 8th of January.
8th of January. Interim shall continue. Deeply obliged. Why not he made a video inside the police station also? Why not?
Let us see when it is.
We will, my way of an affidavit can bring it on record. Obliged.
Kesari
was called for, up to date Kesari was called for.
My lord, in this case, CD we have received, my lord, earlier on 5/11. And then, my lord, CD is up to 7th of September. And that they, my lord, directed to up-to-date CD, otherwise. And now we have again sent signal on 22nd of 11, but they have not come to bring back the CD.
Same order.
Interim was there, my lord.
On 8,
Why your IOs are not taking back the case diary? Who is responsible?
my lord,
Let us know. We'll
Yes.
pass necessary order.
yes, my lord, that's IO, my lord, we have sent on 22nd of 11. Our office staff has informed the OC, but till then, my lord,
Inform us on the next date.
my lord.
Yes, next.
39.
May I please, your lordship? Says service is complete as regards to my informant concern.
It is sent from the office. The service of notice on the informant respondent. Informant opposite party number 2 is complete. As the notice was submitted, informant on 23/11/2024. Notification নতুন ওলাইছে ইয়াৰ লগত সম্পৰ্ক December. Pooja Agarwal, in absence of her. Dixit Gogol. Make it on 16th. You have the case diary?
Yes, CDB retained.
Not can you complete video? Have copy by registration and reflect any. Yes, next.
40.
May I please, your lordship?
It is received, my lord.
What about
Here
service?
also, my lord, service is complete, my lord.
You have the information,
Yes, my lord, there is information. We have the
same date area. Aruna Phukan. In absence, Manisha current town.
lordship has fixed on my
16th.
6th.
Within this matter, my lord, petitioner is on interim, my lord.
He is on interim, my lord, but CD has not arrived, my lord.
From where?
It's from my Dhuburi, my lord. Dhuburi, my lord.
One more sons,
Lost.
3rd of January,
Lost.
failing which interim order first earlier. Petitioner shall remain on interim bill granted to him in Agavani PS case number 64/2002. Granted to him earlier on 30/09.
Highly obliged.
Here also, my lord, notice was issued and CD called for, my lord. That
What about the service of notice?
services, my lord, with the instruction is awaited, my lord.
Petitioner
It
remain
has also
unrepresented
fixed.
on call. Get the information.
Lordship.
3rd January. Don't make it 3rd January. So, very difficult, no?
Yes, third gentleman.
It should be earlier today. Get the information by next week. We'll have it on 16th. After presentation. List on 16 enabling Mr. Goswami to apply 3/4 service of notice. On the informant. Opposite party number 2. Yes.
44. My pleasure, Your Lordship. FIR is page number 8, Your Lordship. I'm not FIR name accused person. I think CD received, Your Lordship, earlier. CD was called. 44. CD received, man. Kettle on. Kettle.
Yes.
As part of seizure, my lord, they recovered from one Gafur Ali, my lord. And my name is Sakat Ali. He is Sakat Ali, man. One of the person, as per the statement of the co-accused, my lord, one of the person it is once Sarhad Ali, my lord, he has received the proceeds of the sale of cattle, my lord. His name, my lord, whether that person is the same person, my lord, that is only my I because as per the statement that the person that has received the sale proceed, my lord, he is one Sakat Ali, Sahad Ali, my lord. He was earlier
clarification.
Yes, perhaps he was earlier involved. That is why he was being questioned, my lord.
Get the clarification.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give it to us by 17th?
Yes, ma'am. I'll just inquire, ma'am.
On 17th.
Okay. Congratulations.
FSL report not received, Lordship.
Please. Lordship, in this case, on 18/3/24, my lord, certain narcotic substances were recovered in abandoned stage, my lord, in a jungle. And after 2 months, my lord, my vehicle was seized from the possession of my wife from Udalguri town, my lord. And at that point of time of seizure, my lord, no case was registered and no seizure list was given. So we have filed a writ petition before this Honorable High Court, my lord. And when instructions were called for, they have implicated our vehicle in this Masbat PS case, my lord. And my lord, the FIR is at page number 17, my lord. We are know how we are connected, my lord. And even before the trial court, my lord, we have filed bail petition. The CD was called for. In that CD, my lord, some other vehicle numbers were given, not our vehicle, my lord. And even the police has said that this vehicle is not required for investigation purpose, and Jimma was given, my lord. Order we have annexed, my lord, at page 27. Only to save their skin, my lord, police, because our vehicle was wrongfully detained and we have filed a writ petition, they have implicated us in this case.
Lordship, one I have noticed there, where it is stated that during the interrogation, it transpired that illegal supply chain of cannabis involved in consignment local guy from Masbat, namely Boykraj Boro. During the interrogation, it transpired that ganja trader named Nikunja Basumatri was also involved in various smuggling of illegal cannabis using his vehicle. One Swift car earlier, based on source information, his vehicle Maruti Suzuki Dzire bearing number so was frequently used for smuggling of illegal cannabis. Lordship, FSL is not received, Lordship.
FSL, what will you do, FSL? You have recovered in the jungle. You have not recovered from the possession of the petitioner, not from his car, not from his house, right? Even if you read the FSL, how it will be connected with this matter? Hello? What's on the case diary?
No.
Tomorrow, if you have the FSL report, let us assume it is cannabis. How will you implicate the petitioner?
Lordship. Lordship, as per the IO note, Lordship. The petitioner is involved in illegal trading. Lordship.
Appear before IO.
My lord.
Received it.
Lordship.
Appear before you. Honor before 11th. You are Mr.
DK Medieval.
Full name.
Dheeraj Kumar Medhi.
Foundation. Did the case diary, up-to-date case diary by 8. Up-to-date case diary. Recording.
No.
Correct. Maria. Meeting is satisfactory.
May I please, Your Lordship? Out of these two petitioner lordship, petitioner number 1 has already been arrested. That has your lordship has already recorded. So that FIR is at page 7.
Yes, madam, kindly tell us.
Lordship, yesterday. Statement recorded, Lordship, in Hyderabad.
There is another case that one lady also was
Yes,
the.
Lordship. Yesterday.
You are, who are you? What's your name?
My lord, now lordship for petitioner number 2, Mujibur Rahman.
Hajar Ali Khan arrested. You are now Mujibur Rahman.
My lord, Hyder Ali arrested.
Hyderabad.
Yes. So I am not pressing for 1. Your lordship has already recorded.
This one Hyderabad, Lordship. আপনারা কালকে না মোটি কথা এখন আমার কিছু
Your Lordship, all allegation against one process server Koliluga. In fact, even I am not a Lordship a government employee,
Appear before I,
my lord.
on or before 11th, same date, 8 January. Petitioner number 2, huh? Individual, the petition number 1, Hyderabad has already been arrested in the case. What order does it ability? As such, this pre-arrest bail application of petition number 1, Hyderabad in said such and such case become in huh? Next case, petition number 2 shall appear before such and such application. Get back the case that return it and get the updated case by 8.
Obliged.
Notice serve or not?
Lordship, informant appears, Lordship.
You are appearing, good. What is in the case diary?
Lordship in 164 implicated lordship.
Give it to us. Yes, what do you have to say?
Lordship in 161 statement and
Hmm?
164 implicated, but in 161 Lordship,
Recorded when?
I have to check.
Okay. We will go through the case there and let us know Monday. What do you have to say?
Lord,
If I-
Allegation of aggravated penetrative sexual assault, and if he allowed to go on bail, there is every possibility of hampering and tempering the witnesses and evidence. So we should, at this stage, his bail may be rejected, Lordship.
Yes, Ms. Das, go through the case diary and tell us on Monday. Go through the case diary properly.
No.
We'll have it on Monday. Don't make it at Monday, we'll have it on Tuesday.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, petitioners already appeared before the investigation
Yes,
officer.
Mr. Goswami.
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, they are the vehicle owners, my lord, for transporting the cattle illegally. And other two accused, they have been interrogated, my lord, from whom the cattle have been, my lord, recovered. They stated that cattle were there, my lord. They were carrying those vehicles, carrying those cattle in the vehicles, my lord. As per the last.
Are they cooperating with the investigation?
Yes, my lord, they have appeared, my lord.
Yes.
After interrogation, my lord, there is no, my lord, the notice there that they have appeared, only that much.
Who is the petition number 1?
Manzil Ahmed, your lordship.
Who is he?
Owner of the vehicle here.
And petition number 2?
Petitioner number 2,
He is Uthman.
Asadul Islam.
Who is he?
He is the also owner of another vehicle, your lordship. RC registration certificate have annexed. His number
As per the
13.
FIR. There are 22-10-2024 lost by the ASI of Sonapur Police Station before the officer in charge of Sonapur Police Station. The case is that on the night of 22, no, on 22-10-2024, on receipt of information in the morning around 6, in and around 6, that 2 numbers of truck loaded with cattle were found near the railway line at Samota under Sonapur Police Station. While police emergency staff conducted their duty. On receipt of such information, police personnel from Sonapur Police Station placed visited the place where 2 trucks bearing registration number AS01RC -6724 and AS-18AC 5376 loaded with $54 numbers of cattle, 27 each in each of the truck, were found in abandoned condition near Samota Railway Bridge Service Lane to Tetilia Station. And the drivers of the truck as well as the helpers were not found present. Accordingly, the cattle were seized along with both the trucks. During inquiry, police came to know that trucks were carrying cattle illegally and atrociously by the driver and the handyman of the two trucks, where the cattle were carried in cruel and ruthless manner. It was suspected, the police suspected that the truck drivers and the handymen of the two vehicles were carrying the stolen cattle from some place to sell it at Meghalaya for their illegal gain. Okay. Accordingly, Sonapur case was raised. Both the petitioners herein, namely such and such, are the truck owners of the two trucks bearing registration number such and such. Apprehending their arrears and such and such, they prefer this to appear. Earlier by order dated 13/11/2024, court granted interim bail to the petitioners. Mr. Goswami and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state submitted that the petitioners appeared before the concerned investigating officer and their statements have been recorded. Trucks have been, Zimma have been given.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
It is also stated the Zimma of both the trucks have been given to the petitioners. See, Zimma of the two truck seized inside Sonapur case was given to the. It is also submitted by Mr. Goswami that the petitioners are cooperating with the investigation. Ordered prosecution the terms and conditions. Agota.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May please, Your Lordship. Yeah, distributing bail application, my lord, we have taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2, my lord.
As per report, my lord, served, my lord.
Notice has been served.
Served.
Yes, my lord.
You have the case diary.
Yes, my lord. Case diary.
Priyanki Das. In absence, Srimati Pooja Agarwal. Okay. 11th, 10th.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Pursuant to the notification number 80 dated 3/12/2022.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
No representation on behalf of the petition report. List of trail.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, this is an anticipated bail application, Lordship, as per direction of this court, Lordship. They are appeared before the IO and recorded.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, medical report is, my lord, as per the CD, my lord, required, my lord, because on the basis of the 4 persons names have been come out, my lord. They have instigated the entire mob to kill the victim, my lord, because as per the, my lord, they said that he practicing, my lord, witch hunting, my lord. That is a.
Okay, get the medical report.
Yes, my lord.
When?
It's from Lakhimpur.
After vacation, you get it.
After vacation.
Give us a date.
No. On 7th, my lord, because 3rd is 1.
As per on the prayer of Mr.
8th, my lord.
8. Till then, the petitioner shall remain on the interim bail in
Lordship, may kindly
Not
give the
looking
liberty
yes.
and make the CD, my lord.
not Lakhimpur PS case number 289/2024. Granted rem earlier on 2011-202. Return the case very for up to date.
Hello.
Medical report of the injured victim. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, madam.
Oh, you're there.
My lord, the FIR is that page, my lord.
Yes,
relevant
Mr.
to the
Goswami, you
topic,
asked for the up-to-date case record.
Allegation is that I have taken money, my lord, time to time, with the promise of to provide a job. It is also informed that I have returned money, 80,000, 20,000. In fact, my lord, the Panchayat election occurrence took place in 2021. FIR lost in 2024. And suddenly, because I am going to contest it in the Panchayat election, my lord, he has lost his FIR, my lord, just to defend me, my lord.
CD reflects, my lord, that he has a statement of the accused is there, and it is not till 9/11/2024.
Statement of the petitioner is there.
Petitioner is there, my lord.
What it indicates?
My lord, he reveals that, my lord, he has taken the money and he has returned 1 lakh, my lord, that he has admitted, my lord.
I have never taken no return, my lord. He has just to limitation, my lord, he has put 1 lakh, I have returned, my lord.
Is there any indication of
Lord, after that, my lord, there is nothing. My
no. In the FIR, there is an incident that he is also misbehaved with his wife and
no, my lord, that part, my lord. Interim person,
No.
or it is perhaps, my lord, he got interim in the landed trial court, my lord. That is why his statement is there.
why are you here? Already statements recorded on the basis of trial court bail application.
Initially, I applied before the court below, my lord. The interim was granted.
When it was
Ultimately, it was rejected. That's why I
Where is
have
that
come.
order?
There is order is not here, my lord, in the petition order.
Where is that rejection order?
Yes, I am going, my lord.
Where you have mentioned that you have approached earlier and it was rejected.
It was not mentioned, my lord.
So, Mr. Biswas, these kind of things before the court will never be accepted.
Yeah.
Don't move. You are sufficiently a senior lawyer. Don't move such kind of application whenever he brings to some junior. Nothing. Likha. Heard Mr. S.C. Biswas counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. M.P. Goswami, an additional public prosecutor for the state. From the case diary, it is submitted that the petitioner A.B.U.R. Rahman, son of Salu Sheikh, S.H.A.L.U.S.K., resident of village Tekamari, police station South Salmara, district South Salmara, Mankachar. And already, do you have the case number?
The case number is not here, my lord, but it is only showing a court's order, interim bail order, they have appeared.
That the petitioner had already approached court earlier for his pre-arrest bail in Mankachar police station, case number 180/2024 under section 420/406/294/354/506 IPC, corresponding to GR number 403/2024.
Nice.
And appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the case as available in the case diary. However, there is no mention in this pre-arrest bail application that the petitioner.
My lord, one order I have found, my lord. It indicates, my lord, the case was fixed on 12/11 after the interim, my lord. And that order is not here.
The petitioner in this petition at paragraph 10 categorically stated that he neither filed any bail application, that no bail application is pending.
That is criminal misconduct.
Before the High Court or any other subordinate court Pending. Accept this.
It was not pending, my lord, there. It was disposed.
Reject corporate.
After rejection, we have come.
Petitioner did not state about filing of any such bail application before the court. Pre-arrest bail application initiate such and such, which is available in the case diary. Accordingly, this bail application for being misrepresentation stands dismissed.
Criminal mistake 23924. Number is, your lordship has asked the number now. Criminal mistake 23924.
239?
24. Mistake criminal.
Yes, next.
Lordship, as per the previous order date 22/11/24, CD was called for lordship.
Yes.
My lord, here CD not received, my lord.
Why? From which place?
It's from Kachar, my lord.
Silchar.
It was called when?
It was called on
22/11.
My God,
22/11.
nowadays hardly you need a single night to reach Guwahati from Silchar.
Yes, yes, yeah.
16.
16.
No further time.
No, sir.
He